Hey everybody, it's Isabel Marie here. I'm sitting here at the bus stop waiting to pick up my son. I want to shoot off a really quick video to address something that I see happening over and over again, and I think it's very, very important to touch base on. A lot of people think that the secret to success is having the right tools or having the right skills or the right company, the comp plan and things like that. And that can't be further from the truth, guys. One thing people don't realize is success is something that comes from within. I see people going out day in and day out, even in their own home-based businesses, frustrated, pitching people, selling people, using tools, wasting their time, their money, and they're barely getting by enough to pay for their monthly auto order, let alone to take people's money, and promising them that they're going to change their life if they get involved with their company and their service. I think that a lot of people need to start realizing that if you're not making money in your company, you need to start changing your strategies and go about it a different way, so a lot of business comes from a personal point of view, not just the money at the end of the day. Because I meet network marketers that have been involved in their companies for 5, 7, 8, 10, 20 years and are barely getting by, and it doesn't make sense to me. Why go through all that pain and all that trouble, or make $30,000 a month and spend $25,000 in advertising? You're just broke at a higher level. So for me, guys, I'm going to tell you the secret to success is to change your mindset and to change the way you do business. The world is constantly changing, constantly growing. People even that make millions of dollars know that they keep up with the trends of what's coming next and how to do business in this more efficient, time, cost-effective, smarter way. And if you're not doing that, guys, if you're not taking yourself serious to upgrade yourself, and you don't have a cell phone or you don't have a computer or you don't have these things, these are tools you're going to need to get where you need to go. But at the same time, though, they don't do anything if you don't have the right mindset and you're not willing to find the ways to apply the right tools. A computer can be used for good and evil. It can be, a cell phone could be for chatting or making business calls and making money. A lot of people think that, it's just some magical comp plan or formula that's going to get them there. It's you guys. You guys are the product. You guys are the service. You guys are what people actually sign up with, not your company. They're trusting you to show them, and if you're not able to show them, find somebody that can show you how to be successful so that way you can show them. A lot of people, in network marketing or in other companies as well, go and make it a point to, run to somebody else's hotel meeting or run to somebody else's conference call or, buy somebody else's CD or tool, and that's, not good, because all you're doing is being a cheerleader or a fan of somebody rather than being the leader that people turn to. If you go and you are on conference calls, learn how to do a conference call. If you're out there and you want to put videos up there and you're sending people to other videos, of somebody else, learn how to be that person in the video and make videos. Always upgrade yourself and invest into yourself to make that happen, where you position yourself as a leader, not just a follower of another leader, whether it's in your own company or not. So that's it for me. I'm going to go ahead and stop this video so I can get my son from the bus stop. You'll see a few more videos for today, but the main purpose of this video is to show people that you need to start becoming who you say you are and being the leader that you go and turn to other leaders. You have to be that leader so people can turn to you, and in turn you'll grow out of greatness. You'll learn, from trial and error, from getting things right and doing things a little wrong. But at least you're learning, you're growing into that person rather than just being a cheerleader or a fan of a company or a service or another leader. So if you guys want to find me, I'm at www.myspace.com/Miss_Izzy, ISSY. Contact me, shoot me over an email, let me know how I can help you position yourself to be a leader and learn the skills you need with the right mindset to make, the money you deserve from home, instead of just pitching something you really aren't backing up. Guys, have a great day. Aloha and God bless. Bye-bye.